Hey YouTube, how's it going today? All right, today we're going to be going over Clickbank, how to make money on Clickbank. I don't know if y'all heard of it. It's a pretty common site. It's Clickbank, Warrior Plus, a few sites that you can just go pick up an affiliate link and pretty much promote it wherever you want. So first, with Clickbank, obviously you have to sign up. You have to sign up to be an affiliate and get approved. But after that, you're good to go once you get approved. So the main thing you do is this is the what they call the marketplace. So you go into whatever niche you want to pick. Pick a niche that you enjoy, that you're interested in, because it's going to be a lot easier for you to sell that product. You have to have passion about it. If you don't have passion for what you're selling, it's just going to seem like work, and we all hate work. Work sucks. So yeah, pick a niche that you're really passionate about, that you're really wanting to advertise to other people, that you could get behind to sell to somebody. Yeah, okay. And then another thing you have to have the mindset that not you're not going to get sales right away. It's not going to be a get rich quick program, no matter what you do. That's what you call a scam when you see those. So it does take work, but if you consider sitting at a computer clicking buttons work, well, I'll take that any day. Coming from laying floors for the last 15 years, this does not seem like work to me. So yeah, just get your mindset right. Have the can-do attitude, not the oh, I haven't made a sale in 2 weeks. I'm just gonna give up now. That's not gonna work. And you'll just move on to the next thing, and whether that's drop shipping, and that won't work for 2 weeks, and you're like, I'm just gonna give up. Just pick something, pick one thing, get really good with it, get really familiar with it, and just go to town. So let's see, what should we go for here? The top three you want to be promoting are wealth, health, and relationships. And spirituality is right on the edge there too. Spirituality is right there. That's becoming more and more, especially with the times we're in. People are pretty depressed about what the heck's going on around the world, the country, and so this has been picking up some momentum lately. But for this, we're just going to do, let's do health and fitness. So you click health and fitness here, then it has sort results by. What you want to sort by is gravity, and that'll narrow it down, remove everything to the top that's selling the best. And then you can look down here in the small print. That's the amount you would get if you made a sale. 45.79. What's that? The custom keto diet. Research Godzilla. This is another diet plan that I was doing for a little bit. But when you click the gravity and you go down here and look at gravity, it says 432. That means 432 people have sold this product already. And the Godzilla looks like 385. So yeah, so you'd want to get to promote those, and if that's your niche, whatever your niche is, just pick the top sellers, which have the highest gravity, and get at it. You know, um, you're like, oh, everybody says, but Chad, I don't have an audience. I don't have anybody to promote to. Well, you have to build your audience. You have to get on Facebook, get your name out there. Get on Facebook, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Instagram's a good one. And you just have to post. And if you're not posting like 4 times a day on Instagram, then there's really no excuse for that. Instagram is pretty easy. It's just a picture and post. So you'd want to, and what I did with Instagram that seemed to work was you go to the top people that are in that niche. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, go to the top people with the biggest audiences, and you click on them, and you have to follow them. And then after you follow them, you turn on your notifications. So every time that person posts something new, your notification goes off. So then you hurry into Instagram, and then you just start following people that are commenting. or that are on at the same time as you. Because what that does is, if they're on and they see you follow, they're likely going to follow you back. That's just seems to be the way it works, and it helps you build up your Instagram followers by quite a bit, relatively fast, and in a niche that people are already interested in, health and fitness. So if they're following you, and then you come in and post your affiliate link with Clickbank, they say, "Oh, Chad just posted. What does he have?" And then "Oh yeah, I could really use a diet pill." And then that's just how it works. But that's probably the best way to build your audience. And same thing with Facebook. Facebook's a little bit harder. In Facebook, I would go to groups, specific groups. You got to join groups that are in that niche. Some people say niche, some people say niche. I'm gonna go with niche. That sounds better. So same thing with Facebook. Just go to people that are in that specific niche, in that group. Join the group, and maybe even make your own group and try to get people to join your group. So then new people coming into your group are interested in what you are trying to offer them. So if they're coming in looking for a diet pill or health related, fitness related, things. So they're going to be easier to sell to, easier conversion. And go to the person that has the highest views, the most followers, and just copy. I don't want to say copy, that sounds bad, but just kind of reflect what they're doing onto your page. Look at what kind of pictures they're using to grab attention. What kind of screenshots they're using to grab attention, and just put your own little spin on it, and then you start promoting it. And you just want to make sure that you're promoting. So if you go to Instagram and build your whole page around health and fitness, and then you start promoting how to make money online, you've built this whole group on health and fitness. So why would they come to your page if now you're selling, make money online? You have to stay consistent, stay within your niche, keep putting posts out there, and people will come. So what you do, you just put your post on Instagram. I would show you on Instagram, but I don't have my Instagram account anymore. For some reason, I couldn't get it to load on the computer. I'll have to look into that. I'm not quite sure why. It's on my phone, but not my computer. So you just take your affiliate link and paste it, right underneath your post, and people come in. Oh, let's see what they're offering, and it'll take them to your affiliate link. And if they purchase, then you'll get the commissions off that. And same thing if you're gonna promote on YouTube. Just go look at what the top videos are doing, what kind of keywords they're using, and kind of make your page after what they're doing. Keep it simple. Keywords are a big thing too. You have to have the right keywords. If you think of YouTube, what is YouTube? YouTube is pretty much a search engine for how to do something or how to find something. So usually what you'd like to do is start your, how to use ClickBanks, how to use Warrior Plus, whatever you're trying to promote, how to lose weight, how to find God in these hard times. Because that's mostly what people, that's the first words they type when they go to YouTube is how to. The two biggest things on YouTube are your click-through rate. So that's your thumbnail. If your thumbnail catches the eye and you get a lot of clicks on it, YouTube loves that. Their algorithms love that. And then probably the biggest thing is viewer retention. So you want to kind of be entertaining, keep people interested in what you're trying to do, which I'm still learning, but I'm going to get better. I just don't have the finances right now to have a fancy thumbnail like you see these other guys have, but I'll get there. And yeah, you just want to keep your guests engaged, keep them listening. What else can I have? And yeah, that's about it, guys. Really, it's pretty easy. Clickbank is free. Like I said, you just have to sign up, and they'll give you an affiliate link, and then you can just run to whatever social media platform you want to and promote. Some places you have to be careful, like Facebook. Facebook doesn't really like affiliate links if you run an ad with it. But if you post it on a page or something, you can get away with it, no problem. Just when you're running ads on Facebook, they don't like the third-party affiliate links. So yeah, guys, if you found this video entertaining, helpful, I should say, maybe not as much entertaining, but I'll get there. Please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.